Nice, guys. Really? This is an all security camera, guys. HD resolution, free cloud storage for 7 days, no wires, and it's weatherproof. You guys want to see something? Olo has night vision. It's like the perfect security camera. Cuddles, it's gotta stop. Olo's not gonna let you get away with those kinds of things anymore. Really. See that Olo Q camera over there, boys? Know what that means? No more joyrides ever. No deals, Mr. Cuddles. Stay strong. Hey, you guys want to say hi to Buddy? Oh, the doorbell. Packages on the bench, please. Thank you. These Olo cameras are going to be pretty great, guys. Who needs more tea? Tony, you good? Mr. Cuddles? I can't wait for tomorrow. We're going to have a lot of fun.
Reolink Argus is the world's first 100% wire-free, full HD security camera, packed with the smartest PIR movement sensor. To know your home is safe and sound, just freely place it indoors or outdoors. The smart PIR sensor will watch movement and the camera will send you alerts. And you will see and hear what's happening, and even talk back. Hi, place the package by the door. Thanks. Even if you are not home, you can remotely monitor your property or get clear live view. Check if your baby is having a sound sleep. Watch what your naughty pet is getting into. Enjoy the family happy moments. And see if there's a burglary while you're away. Installation is super simple. Put it on a shelf or other flat surfaces. Mount it to the wall or place it under the ceiling. No cords and no wiring hassles. No limit to placement options. It's portable and flexible, so that you can place it anywhere, like in the kitchen, the living room, the baby's room, the front door, the back door. You can move it anywhere from room to room. That's the way 100% wire-free should be. Superhero Reolink Argus. Your truly wire-free, full HD, waterproof smart security camera.
5-video doorbell that brings home security to your fingertips. There's no need to worry about missing or misplaced packages when you're able to chat instantly with whoever's at the door.
Hi.
Hey there. I have a package for Mrs. Johnson.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah, just leave it by the door.
Take care.
You'll never need to be interrupted by unexpected guests.
Can I help you?
Hey, I was wondering if you'd like to buy some magazines today.
No, thank you.
Plus, X-Chime's infrared night vision camera has a smart sensor to deter unwanted nighttime visitors.
Sir, can I help you?
You'll love being able to monitor your front door activity 24/7 from anywhere in the world, all in real time.
I'll be right there.
Rest assured that you'll know exactly when your kids arrive home.
Hey, I'm home.
Hi, sweetie. I'm happy you're home. I'll see you in a little bit.
You won't even realize how helpful X-Chime is until you need it most.
Oh no.
Let X-Chime's HD streaming 24.
And whenever it is, wouldn't it be nice to check in at home? Welcome to Links. If you have Wi-Fi and a few minutes for the simple camera setup, You'll be on your way to advanced security monitoring and peace of mind like never before. With real-time HD video streaming to your mobile device, you can check in on your little ones or see what your furry friends are up to. Keep track of who's coming and going with our innovative facial recognition. When our smart technology detects movement, you'll get an instant alert. Lynx, the easiest way to tend to what matters most.
Smartphone, so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Oh, that's great, sweetheart.
And make your life a little easier.
I have a package for Rachel.
Great, I'll be home soon. Can you leave it on the side of the house?
Sure.
Skybell HD's motion sensor will alert you when an unwanted visitor doesn't press the doorbell. And full-color night vision helps you see perfectly at night.
Hit the lights.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. Skybell HD records each video you see, so you can watch or download the video at a later time, even if you didn't see it live.